What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day because I am, and Peter is. Hi. Peter's actually working on his car. He's doing something really small, but everything adds up and everything counts. Even though he's probably not doing anything.
I'm not. I'm just trying to look busy.
But that still counts.
Cause energy.
But today I decided to work on my speakers because for some reason my driver's side speaker just stopped working and my passenger side works. And I forgot to check if the rear works because I don't know if it's like wiring or if it's just my speakers that's blown. But I need to double check on that. But Randy went skating and he was nice enough to let me use his garage. So we have all this space to ourselves, even though I'm only gonna use this area right here. And I think I'm gonna give this thing a wash later because it's super dirty. Like, look at all of this dirty ass, nasty dirt, gunk, maybe like tire rubbing, I don't know, but this whole car is a fucking mess. Yeah, for sure, this car needs a wash. Like, look at this. This is gross. I haven't washed this thing in like 3 months or 2 months. I don't remember. So yeah, these speakers aren't really speaking to me, so we gotta check that real quick. So if you guys have a Prelude, it's really easy. You just pop off this little cover right here, and there's screws that hold your speakers. And let me just take that out and show you guys. So after you took off the screws, the speakers should just come right out, and the connectors are right here. So to check if the wiring's bad or it's just a blown speaker, Randy has an extra pair of speakers that I can borrow. So what I'm gonna do is take out the speaker, unplug these, plug these into here, and if those work, then my speaker's blown. And if it doesn't, then there's something wrong with my wiring or something shorted somewhere. So the speakers are connected, so I guess we'll turn on the car and test it out. And I hope my speakers aren't blown because that would suck.
Dude, this one was racing shit when it turns on.
Oh, so this side doesn't work.
Bro, so the connection, huh?
Something wrong with the connection or something, I don't know. So I'm gonna just take out the whole door panel and probably just check out the wiring and stuff like that. So to take out a whole door trim off of a Prelude is really easy. So where the speakers are, there's just 3 little holes right here that holds like 3 Phillips screws, and one in the cup holder right here and one in there. And that's basically it. And to take this off, what you do is you kind of shift this back like this, pull it back towards you, and it should come right off. And then on top, so you guys see that little lock thing right there, that's for your door handles or your locks. So what you could do is just pop that off like this. So yeah, I kind of just pop back like this, like a little cup, and you just pull this up. This should come out. So when you pop that off, you just take off these connectors and this whole thing should come off easily. So after those come off, all I need to do is kind of yank on the door like that. Super easy. And right here, since you have the corner lights, there's just another port right here that you just unplug to. And for the people who has the base model, you guys won't have this, so you don't have to worry about this part. And then for the top part, you kind of just wiggle that out. Pull it towards you and everything should come off. Alright, for the window module, you just unplug these right here.
Not my GTR.
Alright guys, so it's not this side. I tested my speaker, put it on the other door, and it works perfectly fine. But I have a perfect solution. Luke is still here and he just got home. So I asked him to help me and he said he's gonna go pee and he's gonna be right out and he's gonna help me. If I run into any problems like this again, I'm just gonna ask him. I'm not even gonna try. And also guys, I've tried installing the M-Tech Industries shifter springs and it's really difficult. The instructions they gave me, I think the instructions were on the K24 and it's not the same. It's quite different. Under here, I think under somewhere around here, there's like, I think it might be the shifter thing where you switch out the springs, but it's all under like this AC line and the coolant line and everything like that. But I don't want to install that and not be sure. So if you guys know anything about that, please comment below and let me know, because I really want to give them feedback, let them know how great it is, but I can't because I can't install them. The instructions they gave me weren't specifically for my car, so I don't know. Please, if you guys know anything about that, let me know in the comments below. The Lord Savior is here. He's checking my deck wiring.
Here, turn on the car.
Turn on the car?
Yeah, plug your speaker in.
Okay, let me plug everything in first.
So it'll start playing.
There you go.
Anything?
Nope. So Luke found the problem, and I guess the wire got pinched behind the door. Okay. So now, let's figure out how to rewire it. So whenever I drive, I want you to stand right here with the door open and just hold it for me.
Let me try this.
Just do it.
You know, because dude, I was driving earlier last time, right? I was like, I want to simp right now. I was like, the simping is like not really there. But I only heard it in my right ear. I was like, just something's broken. Yeah.
Dude, I know what you mean.
Damn, look at this fitment in my rear though. But it's touching my fenders. Literally touching my fenders. That's why my rims are all curved and nasty. Because every time I drive and hit a bump, it hits my wheels. So Luke's telling me to take everything apart right here, because that's where the wire goes into, so I can rewire it. But I have a better solution. What if I just put a Bluetooth speaker on my left door?
I think it's gonna be more loud.
Yeah, I could just lower it.
But then you would have to play the same music at the same time.
You have Bluetooth?
You're right.
Damn, bro.
Alright guys, so it looks like I might not be able to finish this car tonight, because in about an hour and a half I gotta leave and go have dinners with my coworker. So fixing the speaker will have to continue tomorrow when I come back. Alright guys, so it's the next day and I finally figured out how to do it, but I'm gonna need an extra pair of hands. So I just got everything started already. So remember that back, let me shine some light on this. Remember the harness that was right there? So what I did was I took off the rubber grommet and I unplugged the harness right here. So what I'm gonna do is unbolt this and the door hinges and remove the whole door, so I have better access and more room to rewire that. So most of you guys might not know this, but the Prelude is 3,000 pounds. So I'm gonna need an extra pair of hands to hold the door while I take out those bolts so the door doesn't fall off, because for sure I'm not strong enough by myself to hold it while working. Look who's home from school. Busy man. Busy man, yeah. So the only one that I found that was home was Tony. So he doesn't give me a quick hand before he gets back to work, because those products aren't shipping out themselves. This door's fucking heavy, dude. Oh, shit. So the door is finally off. This thing is super heavy. Whew. This is a snake. Oh guys, this is a small snake right here under the motorcycle, look.
What the fuck?
This is a snake under Vince's motorcycle.
Hey, keep it.
Look at this. Sab! Boo, you're a Boy Scout. So I had to remove the whole door just to get to this. Yeah. So I guess let's open this up and see what's wrong with it. So do you guys see that gray wire right here that's loose? I think that might be the problem. So what I did was I trimmed those tips just like this, and then I'm gonna solder them together with this. And the other wires seem cut too, but not all the way, so I might just re-tape them and see what I should do about this whole location, because it seems like it's not working that well on this cutting shit. So I'm just letting you know right now, if you wake up tomorrow and you're twitching, that fool probably bit you. Alright guys, so I just soldered the wires together, and do not make fun of me, I don't do this shit every day. But so what I'm gonna do next is electric tape these so they don't touch the other wires because it's exposed, and then re-tape everything else so it's tighter, and zip tie it, and hopefully the door won't cut it again. Alright guys, so what I did so far was I taped the wire, I taped everything together, and then I zip tied it on the top, hoping everything will be tight and smaller so the door doesn't hit it again. And if this thing happens again, let me know if you guys want to buy a 2000 Honda Prelude. If this thing's gotta go, if this thing happens again, this thing is gonna fucking be sold and I'm gonna fucking sell it, and there's gonna be no more of this. I'm just kidding guys, I have big plans for this baby. If everything works out for me in a year or two, You guys have to wait though. This thing's gonna have big plans and crazy builds for it. Trust me guys, you guys are gonna love it. Now for the hard part, putting this door back on. It's freaking heavy. I'm gonna get another pair of hands again. I can't do this myself guys. Remember, building cars are not fun without your friends. Remember that. You need your friends around to keep you sane. Cars are fucking annoying, right? Never mind, see? Maybe you don't need your friends. Maybe they won't come out, maybe they won't help you. So I'm gonna have this door installed real quick and then get back to you guys because I need to focus. I need this door on the car right now. I'm not trying to be here until the sun goes down, so I'll be right back. Alright, so the door is finally back on. Perfect. And just to show you guys that the speaker does work, show you guys right now. Perfect. Works fire. It's like brand new, like nothing ever happened. But I am scared that the harness wire might get pinched again. So let's just hope this thing lasts a long time. A long time. I'm not trying to take off the door again. I had to move my car over here because Randy needed to use the garage. But that's okay because today's project is done. I mean, not project, but more of a repair. Today's repair is done. Damn, look at these dance cars in this neighborhood, guys. Don't you guys love the view? Because I do. Damn. Your tooth fairy is looking good and tasty. Tasty.
Good dog. Bitch, you better not post this before me.
I'm about to post this shit before you.
I'm gonna post it later.
This is your next prank, bitch.
Sounds good. You wait till your prank.
Wait until
Oh wait, your prank happened when you were born.
yours happened when you fucking.
Shut up. What? Go ahead.
I don't want to say it.
Alright.
Yours happened when you started getting the car game. Were you killing it? So you got me back. Alright guys, so I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, so I'm ending it today. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for spending time your day and watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. And if you guys want to see me working on lewd more, please let me know in the comments below, because there's some other stuff I can add to the lewd, but as of right now, my eyes is pretty much done, other than like performance mods. And if you guys want to see performance mods, also let me know in the comments below. But I'm just gonna end this vlog here, so I'll see you guys next time.